There are two parts of me. One is a sane god, the other one is a stray dog that needs to be kept on a leash. I did something disgusting because I was nervous. It's inexcusable and childish, though I didn't do it on purpose. Now I have to deal with remorse, reflect on what I did and maybe discuss it in the hope of not making it worse. I wish I could get rid of that wild canine beast, stupid bitch. Or at least switch that goddamn dog for a domestic hound with a kind, nice snout. If there are none left for me, I should probably tame her somehow. Well, the god is more than enough. For that reason will prevail. The mongrel must obey. But I will stop being human, then why be a human in this often inhospitable world anyway? Unless there is no other way to become a whole god without a dog that runs astray or tears the whole goddamn apartment apart. So I guess this way is necessary, though hard. The way of the human nature to balance between the mind and the heart. However, sometimes it pisses me off because it's rough when the dog turns into a big hungry white wolf that chews my brain my head